The Inflation Reduction Act can be complicated. Rheem is fully committed to helping contractors, distributors, and homeowners fully understand the impact and opportunity for all customers and partners. The Inflation Reduction Act, we call it the IRA, includes three main pillars. One, tax policy, primarily changes to corporate tax rates. Two, healthcare and extension of the Affordable Care Act rules and subsidies. And three, energy policy, including incentives for energy-efficient HVAC and water heating equipment. Contractors, distributors, and customers should view the IRA as a set of interrelated policies that provide a long-term signal to encourage installation of highly energy-efficient appliances, as well as new incentives designed to encourage homeowners to consider purchasing high-efficiency HVAC systems and water heaters. Over time, these policies should shift the U.S. market to ever more efficient air conditioners, heat pumps, condensing gas furnaces, and heat pump water heaters.
Beginning in January, homeowners who purchase and install an eligible heat pump system can receive a tax credit equal to 30% of the installation costs, up to a maximum of $2,000. And for customers installing high-efficiency air conditioners and furnaces, a maximum credit of $1,200. The IRA also establishes a new consumer rebate program. We expect the U.S. Department of Energy to roll out rebate program rules in the spring of 2023. Will focus primarily on moderate and lower income households. With every government program, the details matter. Consumer rebate levels and eligibility will look a little different in each state, and we will clearly communicate program rules with our contractor and distributor partners.
The Inflation Reduction Act will affect homeowners in the sense that it may allow them to actually upgrade the selections of the HVAC equipment that they choose to install in their homes that they might otherwise not have been able to either afford or qualify for. So when I think about the Inflation Reduction Act and how it's going to impact contractors, it really is an opportunity for them to provide education around high efficiency, around sustainability, decarbonization, as well as technology advancements that have taken place in the HVAC industry. It mainly helps direct them in terms of what systems are they going to install into their sales portfolio. With distributors addressing the IRA, I think first and foremost they need their teams to get educated. They need to be well-rounded and really become the subject matter experts for their customers. They may make specific adjustments or investments in specific qualified materials or models that fall within the Inflation Reduction Act guideline.
We encourage homeowners to consult the website for the latest IRA updates on both the tax credit and rebate program.